ready to transform your messy screen into a crystal clear recording powerhouse. First, in the Sources panel, click the plus button to add a new source. This is where we tell OBS what to record. Select Display Capture if you want to record your entire screen, or Window Capture for a specific application. Let's go with Display Capture for simplicity. You can give your capture a name here, or just leave it as the default. Click OK. Now choose the correct display. If you have multiple monitors, make sure Capture Cursor is checked. If you want your mouse movements to be visible in the recording, hit OK. Next, let's set up your audio. Check the audio mixer. OBS usually detects your microphone and desktop audio automatically. If your microphone isn't showing, click the settings gear icon next to any of the audio inputs and select Properties. Find your microphone from the device drop-down menu and click OK. Almost there. In the Controls panel, click Start Recording when you're ready. To stop, simply click Stop Recording in the same spot. Your recordings are saved in the folder specified under Settings, then Output, and then Recording Path, and that's it. You're now ready to create awesome screen recordings.